What is up, Woo Woo Gang? So today we're gonna be reacting to Locksmith drops off a fire freestyle at Swing in the Morning.
Shout out to everybody worldwide.
Worldwide.
We in the building.
Shouts all of y'all.
You know what I'm saying? Freestyle. You know what I'm saying? We coming hard, man. You know what I'm saying? Like we always do. You know what I'm saying? We support artists that's not considered big. That's what we do, man. Because we like what that authentic hip hop music.
Facts.
I ain't with the mumbo jumbo. You know what I'm saying? So I like, but one of my favorite Locksmith, the boy is talented. He's lyrically inclined. You dig what I'm saying?
That's facts.
You know what I'm saying? Definitely talented brother. So, you know, I'm excited that we're gonna hear this freestyle.
Yes, on Sway.
You know what I'm saying?
Sway always giving us them hitters.
Yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? I mean, yo, Sway better than Flex right now. He killing. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to K-Slade too, man. Cause K-Slade back in the days was holding it down on his mixtapes and on Hot 97, doing his shows.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? I mean, so real authentic hip hop music, man. You know what I'm saying? Bars.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
You be in the stars.
Oh my god.
Hey, B, I'm being honest with you. I don't lie. I'm hip hop.
That's coming from one
I'll
of
say
the
some
best.
things that rappers won't say. Like he might be the best.
That's love.
Do we got the beat?
Okay. So me? Yeah. Look. Your favorite rapper is full of shit. Everything that he's ever said is from a script. Everything you were ever fed is from the lips of dudes who don't believe in the principles that you come to grip. So now let's modify that. Modernize rap to personify facts. Instead of a face tap, go study some face raps. Brad Jordan is more important than Spotify stats.
Let's go back. Yo, that boy, I'm telling you.
Modernize rap to personify facts. Instead of a face tap, go study some face raps. Brad Jordan is more important than Spotify stats. Niggas faking they streams anyway. Buying numbers, the number you are, they can penetrate. Plant seeds, a man's deeds is worth more. Can't breathe, I stampede the church door. Can't see myself following false doctrine. I'm Ice Cube, but there's no style that I'm boxed in. I get offended when niggas say that I'm top 10. Bitch, you get assaulted behind bars when I rock hymns. ASAP 2020 rock him. To the common industry tendencies, I would not bend. I would not flinch for a second. Check the opticals. Either you're a bridge or obstacle. You see, I can give it to you, but what you gon' do with it? We created a style that most of you mimic. I'm less Kirk Franklin, more Langston Hughes with it. New gimmicks, still refusing the use of your eugenics. Too timid to approach me in real life, so you hide behind your keyboards. Your career is a permanent detour. I distort the view of your accolades and rewards. Reassure was pure when I record. I'm reborn on every beat that I reach for. When I breach or status quo on static, no, you'd rather leech more. That's the reason these niggas create the fake beef for. So you can click the link and they can eat more. You see,
oh my god. No. Yo, tell me that boy girl. Man. This is the new era that we living in today. You know what I'm saying? It's about clicks and likes today, you dig?
Other rappers,
I'll go back a little bit.
Always pure when I record. I'm reborn on every beat that I reach for. When I breach or status quo on static, no, you'd rather leech more. That's the reason these niggas create the fake beef for. So you can click the link and they can eat more. You see, rappers on the bubble find other rappers that make trouble. Premeditate fuse and fan bases double. All at the expense of the listener, y'all ignore me. And you wonder why real niggas look at you as corny. Your coronation don't coincide with the corner store. The corridor to the coroner is the course you want. Of course you want. You a stereotype. A caricature of America.
Yo, the boy, yo, he killing it, man. He killing it, man.
All at the expense of the listener, y'all ignore me. And you wonder why real niggas look at you as corny. Your coronation don't coincide with the corner store. The corridor to the coroner is the course you want. Of course you want. You a stereotype.
Oh my god, yo.
Coronation don't coincide with the corner store. The corridor to the coroner is the course you want. Of course you want. You a stereotype. A caricature of America's imperial plight. This is serious material. Cause every empirical image of niggas is seen in this satirical light. Either overly violent or you hypersexualize. If you've never been oppressed, then it's hard to contextualize. If you've never seen the truth, then it's hard to reject the lie. Dangerous is the claims in an affidavit. Dangerous is the blade from decapitation, or religious cults handling snakes in the Appalachians. Witness the scope of his parameters. You can't cover these bullet wounds with bandages. We won't fight for our people with disadvantages, but camp overnight for Jordans and chicken sandwiches. Don't become a statistic.
Oh man.
Locksmith.
Yo, this is up there with right here's up there with that black dog. He going in on this one, man.
Well, we only
Damn.
2 minutes in.
That's the truth. They be out here online for cell phones, Jordans, anything other than for the struggle of their people. They out here, you know what I mean, camping outside 24 hours for a goddamn cell phone, for a goddamn pair of Jordans. Crazy.
Cults handling snakes in the Appalachians. Witness the scope of his parameters. You can't cover these bullet wounds with bandages. We won't fight for our people with disadvantages, but camp overnight for Jordans and chicken sandwiches. Don't become a statistic, cause you can get shot whether or not you even reach for a biscuit. The system that we in is sadistic. Until you kick the bucket and you covered in flour, then you enlisted. Listen to the lyrics that linger out of my language. Private owned prisons is generational anguish. This is all part of a larger plan they came with. They will force your hand till you fold and cave in. Cave drawings inside of a catacombs, or scattered bones of rappers inside of a mausoleum. That's just how I look at the artists that y'all be deeming. As a second coming, I'm coming to spar carpet demons. When niggas say facts, I think fiction. Rumors and allegations are just as bad as convictions. Social media mediates every decision, cause we scared to take a stand in the court of public opinion. Black icons and their bonds inside the plot. Racists on trial, you in denial or you not.
That's right.
Not to say I conveyed was flagrant, but some of our spokespeople ain't nothing but double agents. I am the Denmark Vesey, the Plessy Ferguson. Every verse from him is necessary but burdensome. And onerous, you diss at your own risk. If you speak my name in vain and you slit in your own wrist, it's about ownership. Who was ownership? I was ownership. I was trying to focus on getting noticed to coexist. Your coping method ain't copacetic, no ropometic. You spoke a verse, but we know who did it. You're so pathetic. You go on Reddit and readily try to mock me. Aki, you waiting on a Mardi Gras. I'm waiting on the mock me. Your Motley crew is a crusade of incels. I am the audio equivalent of a chemtrail. All well and ends well. The ends justify the means.
Yo,
Oh my God, yo.
His bars is
Yo, listen.
This bar is tough.
Get this boy his props today, man.
He's a problem.
Locksmith going in on this one.
He's a problem.
Mardi Gras, I'm waiting on the mock me. Your Motley crew is a crusade of incels. I am the audio equivalent of a chemtrail. All well and ends well, the ends justify the means. Your meaningless mockery will land you incels. In celebration of finally finding patience, I'm placing my own bias to the side to gather intel. Nigga, I will slay y'all kings. Leave your bitch wide open like Draymond Green. Leave your click side open till they say I mean. A stock for the law, don't ever underplay my dean. Whatever I say I mean, I believe that I was chosen. Plucked from the fruit of the tree that you beholding. Emboldened by faith, my father gave divinity. Fuck status quo, no record label can limit me. Every rap is calligraphy, every act has been clinically diagnosed as so why take offense to these bitch niggas that you choose to celebrate? Till they lose steam, then you scheme to separate. Set the date and I mean it, accelerate through anemic. Niggas claiming they got you, but never there when you need them. Begging for me to lead them, I leave them all at wayside. I take pride exposing when niggas can't hide. I take sides when niggas aim at my family. Let them dwell in hell, the heavens is my canopy. Your ghostwriter's full of estrogen. You let him rewrite your life like Paul in the New Testament. Set me next to his Mexican, I will X him then exit when niggas say that I'm done, but homie that has never been. I've never been off bullshit, I use it to fertilize my dreams. You scream but it's useless. Look, I'm the byproduct of prophecy, the foreshadow of forced travel from my apathy. The quite opposite of what's opulent. Every occupant inside your purview deters you from what you strive to get. I'm the considering littering little nuggets of information to give niggas some game before they reach the pavement. The pay stubs that you stubbornly waste will eventually bite the ass of those spinning with haste. See, there's a difference between a player and a coach, a boss and a roach, a sheep and a goat. The anchor's been severed, still we sink with the boat, so they don't have to tie the noose, they let us reach for the rope. You come across weakened and you sing when you spoke, still have to promote an image I perceive as a hoax. Every time you underachieve, you concede or you gloat. To extremes we don't need to invoke. I'm vocally outspoken, still I know it was tough. The paradigm is paralyzed, parasites are afoot. Trying to hide behind the beat, their disguise is the hook. Your discography's a mask, still a masses partook. Look, I expect that type of clash. Heard he dropped a new track. I respect the right to pass. You believe the future's bright, but neglect the right to pass. How you spray yourself with Axe, but forget to wipe your ass? See, rappers in the back was decorum. Niggas ain't gotta talk because the facts do it for 'em. If it looks like a duck and it quacks like a duck, either it's bad luck or nigga, that's just a duck. Said I was busy, but that's just a duck. Flashing money to steer me, see that's just a buck. Sky's the limit, no, the limit is the sky. They shooting if you comply, my nigga, that's just for us. We on the cusp to recover, something is closing in. Alright.
Well, first of all,
Wait a minute.
we gotta get him down in Miami. First of all, and cook some beats up for him. Shit. Nah. We gotta get him to Miami, cook some beats up for him.
Let's do it.
Immediately.
Let's do it.
Like
Let's do it.
immediately.
Yo, hey, is the Family Ties album already finished?
Shit, I think this shit is in the almanac or something. This nigga here got
Every lyric counted.
No, he don't play that
The
shit.
beat ran out.
Give me another one. Give me some. Oh, there we go.
Wait, hold on, stop. Y'all gotta go? In this hip hop moment?
We gotta go right now. We got another hour.
Check it. It's the 10 commandments.
Yeah, Locksmith, Sway in the morning. Listen. Look. Everything divisive, confrontation and crisis. We criticize and hide behind our devices. You are not a part of my life, so why would I stress? You a bitch, I can see it just by the eye test. I see the truth behind the peril still. I seem aloof unless you pairing bills. Life is in motion, mostly a Ferris wheel. If you scared to build, then you probably vomit a pair of steel. Parasail off of the wind chill when I exit. Everything perfected, erected after you left it. Neglected of any merit, America is infected. He's blowing up, but it's only cause he's connected. I'm fetching my own PR. You know they love to scrutinize. Got me hanging like Jesus when he was crucified. Really it was Judas, illusion inside a human's eyes. Humanized, homegrown terror is such a useful lie. You deny, but it's bright as day. The price you pay when you rap for apply to people that might decay. I can say that I'm honestly in the running of becoming something more than an artist over some drumming. I'm numbing my own appendages. Be wary of social media images. I seen rappers you know well, but worship they coattails, damage they brand. Now they selling they verses at wholesale. Clearance rapper go grab you a life raft. Life has a funny way of highlighting what might pass. I asked one of my fans, do you even listen? He said no, sent the link and then asked me for my opinion. So let's exfoliate it closer. You know he ain't a soldier, I associate as doper. Labels are like lobster poachers. They find niggas in the trap, watch them snap, then appropriate the culture. Leave us buried behind camera. For my opinion. So let's exfoliate it.
Wait, nah, run that one back.
Oh my.
Selling they verses at wholesale. Clearance rapper go grab you a life raft. Life has a funny way of highlighting what might pass. I asked one of my fans, do you even listen? He said no, sent the link and then asked me for my opinion. So let's exfoliate it closer. You know he ain't a soldier, I associate as doper. Labels are like lobster poachers. They find niggas in the trap, watch them snap, then appropriate the culture. Leave us buried behind cameras. Parallel to libraries in Alexandria or rock in the 60s. Got us pissing in Dixies, eating out of closets. Where the fuck is the logic? Explosively, I was exposed to a superimposed post-reality coaxed fallacy. I couldn't think sane. Uncrumble my past raps and see the face of Christ in the ink stains. The shroud of Turin occurring in Crescent Park. Rich city apostle, my gospel etched in bark. In the tree 50 feet from where Boo Boo got shot. Mike Robinson had the ninja with the shoe in his sock. I was used to the not having support. Abort devils, aboard vessels. I was ignored, my thoughts wrestled. Distressed denim, addendum, and alterations from altercations in case you get lost in the block's echo. Make your heart race like it's laced in your nasal. Was in a dark space, wait, but I'm anxious and hasteful. Labeled as argumentative. All cynics get flogged with the taste you must embrace when you face an Azazel. Amazing grace, my country has two faces. Blacks get more time for equal or less cases. Case in point, in case you encase in a raceless shell. Conversations are baseless if you base the raise in a sale. Seldom seen, but seldomly satisfied. Every stat aside, I sat inside and sat inside. Saturated and sabotage, every rap's a barrage. A lackluster cluster of busters you pass as gods.
They are.
I'm not even better. They're spitting.
Yeah.
Period.
Yeah.
And you know what I'm saying? It's exactly because it's a breath of fresh air. Because a lot of the dudes that's rapping right now, they singing, and it's no disrespect to that. God bless. That's dope too. You know what I'm saying? But it's good to hear some bars like that crazy, and you know what I'm saying?
That's a Locksmith,
Locksmith. I'll be real. I came in here once you put the beat, I was like, I'm about to smash this shit.
Yeah.
And then you sit back and you hear talent like this, it makes you feel good about hip hop because at the same time, you know, when you just come to Miami, cook some shit up.
I was gonna say, can we lock that in today? Let's consolidate that today.
Absolutely.
But Locksmith already family.
Yeah, I know.
That's my brother, man.
Because if he wasn't, I wouldn't have vouched for him.
Yeah, and you wouldn't have sat this long either.
Even if he was dead knife, I'd have been like, fuck that. You fucking kidding me?
Joe,
fuck with the Locksmith,
there it
boy.
is, man.
Wow.
And Joe, you know I love you.
I love you too, man. Family ties Fridays. Locksmith, you gotta post my cover. You gotta post the album cover.
That album is fire too. You let me hear it. Remember in the
I let you
studio.
hear some of it.
Hey, what I heard was phenomenal.
It's new
And what you hear on it? It's cool now.
No.
But yo, you are spitting for sure. I was just like, yo, is that Jay?
Yeah. He kept asking me like, yo, that's Jay.
This dude got so. I mean, not to say you weren't dope, but you got better.
Oh no, he's crazy. He has no feelings.
Yeah. You got. When I was listening to some of the songs, I was like, "Is that Dre? I kept asking DB, is that Dre? Is that Dre?
Dre going crazy.
Dre, you got to come back. You got to come back.
For sure.
Okay. Joe, Joe said he's returned. This is like.
Yeah. They just gonna talk for the rest of the time.
Man, Locksmith, man.
Oh,
Official,
man.
Official lyricist, man. Bars. You know what I'm
Boy's
saying?
fire.
I'm never gonna go back and listen to that over again, man. You know what I'm saying? Get them balls, man. Crazy. You know what I'm saying?
Man.
That's what I'm saying. This is what hip hop needs, man. This is what hip hop was. You know, when it first started, it was off of lyrics.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? People try to sit here and say the Sugar Hill Gang, you know, rappers are light and all that. Nah, before that, it was, you know what I'm saying? It was rappers before that. Go do your research, man. You know what I'm saying? So bars. They always talked about the social issues. You know what I'm saying? Things that was affecting their community. The rappers was getting on the mic talking about that.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Grandmaster, you know what I'm saying? Grandmaster Flash, the Furious Five, you know what I'm saying? The song, The Message. You know what I mean? That's hip hop, KRS One, you know what I'm saying? All that from the Bronx, man. That's, you know what I mean? Hip hop started from the Bronx. And it was based off of lyrics, not based on, you know, what the corporate machine pushes today. But anyway, man, shout out to that boy Locksmith.
Shout out to Locksmith.
Locksmith, lyrically ability, man.
Yeah.
The boy is talented, man. You know what I'm saying? Spit nothing but that crack cocaine, man.
Me on fire.
You know what I'm saying?
Me on fire.
Shout out to everybody, man, worldwide, man.
Shout out to all y'all.
Freestyle, we back, yo. We back. Freestyles, we out of here.
Peace.